Dr. Mohammad Abubakar, Minister of Environment, says the federal government has distributed hand-washing facilities to all the 6 unity schools in the FCT. Abubakar made this known while briefing journalists during the commemoration of the International Hand-Washing Day with the theme, Hand Hygiene for All in Abuja. He said the facilities would boost and promote environmental sanitation and hygiene practices among students and teachers in the schools. The minister urged Nigerians, especially those in public and private establishments, to ensure adequate provision for sanitary and hygiene facilities, especially hand-washing facilities at all times.
This event marks yet another effort by the federal government to promote environmental sanitation and hygiene practices among Nigerians, and our focus is reawakening of our societal consciousness on the need to wash our hands always, especially after critical moments. It has been reported that more than 3.5 million children in Nigeria suffer from diarrheal diseases. Unfortunately, children who are less than 5 years old are more prone to such diseases due to lack of knowledge about the importance of hand washing. A simple act of washing your hands with soap can reduce the infection percentage by up to 50% and also reduce any respiratory disease by 25%. Hand washing saves lives. Therefore, hands must be washed as much as possible, as practicable, especially at critical moments such as after using the toilet, coughing, sneezing, having contact with animals, changing a child who has gone to the toilet, after changing diapers, or touching surfaces, garbage, money, etc. Let me use this opportunity to inform Nigerians that cleaning hands with soap under running water removes germs much more effectively